Hello, this is Ryan Olke, the CEO and Creative Director of Power Productions, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a PayPal button to a WordPress page or blog post. It's very easy actually, it's just a matter of copying and pasting. You just have to know what to copy and where to paste it. But you'll have to watch out for a couple of things just to make sure you don't mess it up, but really you don't have to be a geek or anything, you just have to copy and paste. So first thing is you're going to go into your account, and I have my pages and tabs set up here to protect privacy, so it looks a little funny on my screen. But here's the PayPal login and this merchant services tab. That's what you want to click on. Then you're going to get this page here where you see you can click create payment buttons for your website. Click that. Then that's going to take you to this page. And right here you have options, button types that you can choose from. So you can click a buy now button, and then that's going to take you to a page that looks like this. And it's going to have a bunch of options. You can choose a button type again. You can put in what you want your product called, how much it costs, and a bunch of other things. That's up to you to decide, and that's set over in PayPal. Then you scroll down that page and you see a create button option. You click that button, it creates the button. You go to this next page, the generated code, and you just put your cursor in here and you copy it all. And then you're going to go over to your WordPress site, and in the page or the blog post, you're going to see here you have two options, a visual tab and a text tab. The visual tab is where you just do your normal updating, but we're going to click on the text tab, and this is going to be the side that has all the code for your page or post. You're just going to want to find an empty line of text, okay? You don't want to screw with anything else on this page. Just find an empty spot. Usually the bottom of the page is good. So right here, and you just can paste your code in here like that. If you want to paste it in between paragraphs, you have to be careful. Again, I put my cursor there and I paste this. And that's how you get the code in. And if I go to my visual side, you'll see this button here. Now, if you want to redo this and get rid of this button, you have to highlight the whole thing. So right here before this little greater than less than symbol and form, all the way through here to form and that last little greater than less than symbol, and you delete the whole thing. Then you can come back in and paste again. Okay? So this entire thing you see here, this is the button. So you need to delete it. And you need to make sure you paste the whole thing, but PayPal makes it easy. They make sure you highlight everything when you copy it, so you don't have to worry about that. But if you ever delete it from the page, you need to highlight the whole thing, or part of it might be showing. The last thing you need to be aware of is that when you go in and edit this page on the visual tab, you're typing and things like that, you should just stay clear of this button area, because you could mess it up by selecting things. See here, I can select stuff, I could even delete it. But if I go over to the text side here, you still see that there's some junk code here. So that's why I'm recommending you just delete it in the text side. Okay. So again, the only thing we're doing here is, and you can see, oops, look, I left one more little bit right there. So this was a good example. So with PayPal buttons, you just want to make sure you're pasting in the text side of your editor, and that you're just very mindful when you delete them or replace them. But as long as you do that, all you have to do is copy and paste, and that is it. That's how it is by default in WordPress. There are other ways to get e-commerce on your website, but that one, it is easy. You just have to be careful when you copy and paste. All right, that's it. Thanks.